What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Viper V8. This is a EDF jet. Just got this from Banggood. Ordered it maybe a month ago and it came this week, so I'm gonna be doing unboxing it and let you guys see what's in the box. All right, let's get into it. This is everything that came in the box. This is the Viper V8, and as you can see, I'm gonna have to put this together, glue all this together. But this is a kit, and these are the parts that came in the box. Also came with some decals that I can use. You can use this if you choose to, it's optional. And the wingspan is 750 millimeters. The length is 960 millimeters. It's a 64 millimeter EDF ducted fan you would have to use, or possibly a 70, but this is what was recommended. And the battery, you can start out with a 2200 milliamp 4S battery. So just gonna check everything out here. This is the fuselage, and I believe you fit it together. Alright, so I'm just matching these up before I start applying glue. So this is just an unboxing video and a review. So here you have the fuselage right there. This looks like my vertical stabilizer. Yes, that is it. And these are the wings. She put them together like that. Alright, so these are my wings, my ailerons right there. So I'll put these together. So I'm guessing there's a screw that's in here that goes right in that hole right there. So these are my horizontal stabilizers, I believe. And here's the canopy. It's kind of nice canopy right here. And I'm guessing this is the section for my EDF. Really, this looks like a part of the tail section right here. Looks like it. I'm guessing maybe this is part of the nose piece, but it looks like a part of the tail section. Everything is here for the hardware, the wheels. I have my push rods, I have my servo horns, I have everything in here is in here. The nuts, bolts are in here, all the screws, everything is in here. The only thing that this jet does not come with are the electronics, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using for my electronics. I'm gonna be using pretty much what was recommended. So my 64 millimeter ducted fan, it's a 5-blade. I'm gonna be using this one. Also my 40 amp ESC I'm gonna be using as well. And this battery, brand new, I just got it, 2200 milliamp 4S battery. Should be pretty fun. And servos and my receiver. So I'm pretty excited, guys. I can't wait to put this thing together, see how it flies. And like I said, this is a kit. You can find this on Banggood. And this video is not a promotional video, or there's no affiliate links in this video, but I just wanted to share with you as usual my next project, and this is gonna be it, building the Viper V8 EDF jet 64mm, and I think this is gonna be fun and exciting. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, this jet does not come with any instructions in the box. So all this I'm gonna have to figure out. I'm sure it's pretty simple, but it does not come with any instructions. So I know that can be a little frustrating. It's always better when you have something that you can follow, some instructions, some guidance to help you along the way to build a kit, to put the kit together. But it should be fairly easy, shouldn't be anything hard. So I'll be doing that in my next video. Once again, guys, thank you for your support. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you find any value in this video, I mean, if you want to buy this jet, you can always go on Banggood and get this jet. The price went up a little bit. I believe when I purchased this jet, it was like 90 bucks. Now it's like $125. But if you do decide to purchase this jet, you can go ahead and do it. I'll have this ready to go pretty soon. In my next video, I should be doing the build and also the main of flight. So guys, stay safe, be safe. See you next time in my build video and the main of flight. God bless. Take care.